All right, thanks to Hello Solar, our official shorts partner. We have 3 lucky contestants about to compete in our Hello Solar extravaganza. We've got Scott here, Joe, and Laura. So what they've got to do is they're going to race out on my cue. They've got to put on the Hello Solar shorts at checkpoint number 1. Then race to the second one, do the second pair of shorts. Out to the third pair of shorts, and then they've got to race back to me. First one back to me is going to win the 4.4 kilowatt solar system. Second place, getting themselves a heat pump upgrade. And third place is going to get themselves an EV charger. We want you to get behind our contestants. So let's get them in position. Scott, Joe, Laura, let's get ready to race. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go! First checkpoint, they're racing on. They're putting on their shorts. The shorts are going to go all the way on. Come on, Scott, get them up there. Both legs have got to go in, Scotty. Come on, Scott. Laura's got 2 on already. Well done. They're going to win themselves the 4.4 solar system. The heat pump upgrade per second, the EV charger. Laura is blitzing it through. You can do a cartwheel. Come on, Laura. Well done. Laura is our winner. Well done, Laura. First place. We've still got second and third to go. Yes, that's what we want to see. Joe is second. Come over here, Joe. And we've got third place down here. Give him a big round of applause. That was fun. And how'd you go?
Oh, it was tough.
Anything you want to say to the crowd?
Oh, go north.
Go north. Let's go. Big second quarter our way. Make some noise.